Hi, welcome to Learn PHP with FarazDev. In this particular tutorial, I will provide you the instructions about installation of the PHP in your local machine. Okay, so taking at the table of contents, we see there are 2 points that we will discuss today and in this short video. And the first one is the setup and then the PHP stacks. Regarding the setup, we need a few things in our local machine. The first one is the web server such as Nginx, Apache, etc. This will be used to serve the request to the user, and then the PHP itself, and finally a database such as MySQL database. PHP alone is rarely used in most web applications. It is mostly used in combination with the web server as well as the database. So these three components are usually required for the PHP project. You can install the PHP by going to their installation page, which is php.net/manual/es/install.php. However, I recommend to adopt the different approach, different stacks that you can use, such as these four stacks. If you are on a Windows operating system, then you can adopt WAMP stack, which stands for Windows, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. And in order to instead of installing these components individually, such as Apache, MySQL, and PHP, there is a WAMP server available, and you can download it and install it in your Windows operating system. It will install and set up all of the components required for the WAMP stack. Similarly, if you are on a Linux operating system, then the stack is lab stack, which stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Please note, Apache, MySQL, and PHP are common, and the only difference is in the operating system. In the above WAMP stack, it was Windows, but in the lab stack, the Windows is replaced by Linux. Similarly, in the Mac operating system, the components Apache, MySQL, and PHP are the same. The only difference is the operating system, which is macOS. Okay, so you depending on the operating system that you have, you can install either of the stack, and each stack has a standalone application available for you from the different vendors, and you can set up those servers into your local machine and start developing your PHP web application. Okay, the last stack is the XAMPP stack. Here, X stands for any of the Windows, Linux, or Macintosh, and A for Apache, M for MySQL, P for PHP, and the second P stands for Perl language. So it supports both PHP and Perl languages. Okay, so you can adopt any of these stacks that you like. From the links are mentioned in the slide already. I will also add these links in the description in the video, so you can go to those links and download the stack that you want. I hope you liked my video. In the next video, we will start learning PHP, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and press the bell icon to get the notifications for the new videos. Take care. Bye bye.